The UK has always been a country shaped by immigration. Its policies constantly evolve to reflect the nation's needs. The year 2024 is no different. Significant changes have been implemented, impacting individuals and families hoping to make the UK their home. This essay will unravel these complex changes, focusing on their impact on skilled workers, families, and students. The UK's points-based system is at the heart of its immigration policy. This system awards points for skills, qualifications, and other factors. Reaching a certain number of points is crucial for obtaining a visa. The 2024 updates have adjusted this points-based system, making it more challenging for some to qualify. Understanding these changes is vital for anyone considering migrating to the UK. It's not just about knowing the rules, but also about comprehending the potential impact on your personal and professional life. Let's dive deeper into the specifics of each visa category. Skilled professionals have always been a vital part of the UK's workforce. The 2024 skilled worker visa changes reflect the government's commitment to attracting the best and brightest. However, these changes also bring challenges for businesses trying to recruit from overseas. One of the most significant changes is the increased salary threshold. This means that employers must now offer higher salaries to attract skilled workers from abroad. The aim is to ensure that only those with highly sought-after skills are granted visas. Another important change is the introduction of the Immigration Salary List. This list replaces the previous shortage occupation list. It outlines specific occupations and the minimum salary requirements for each. Employers need to consult this list to ensure they are meeting the necessary standards. These changes are designed to ensure that immigration benefits the UK economy. The focus is on attracting talent that can contribute to the country's growth and prosperity. However, it's essential to consider the potential impact on businesses struggling to fill crucial roles. Family reunification is a fundamental aspect of immigration policy. The UK recognises the importance of keeping families together. However, the 2024 changes introduce stricter requirements for those hoping to join their loved ones in the UK. The minimum income requirement for sponsoring a spouse or partner visa has been raised. This means that UK residents or citizens must demonstrate a higher income level to bring their partners to the UK. The intention is to ensure that families can support themselves financially. Another change relates to dependent restrictions for care workers. Newly arriving care workers face limitations on bringing their dependents to the UK. This measure aims to address concerns about strain on public services while acknowledging the vital role care workers play. These changes reflect the UK's commitment to balancing family reunification with broader societal concerns. While the intention is to create a sustainable immigration system, the impact on families separated by these rules cannot be ignored. Section 4. Student visa changes, a more focused approach. The UK has always been a popular destination for international students. The 2024 changes aim to maintain this attractiveness while ensuring that students contribute to the UK after graduation. This has led to tighter restrictions and a greater emphasis on post-study work options. One significant change is the restriction on dependents for some students. International students, except those pursuing PhDs or postgraduate research programs, will face limitations on bringing their families. This aims to ensure that the focus remains on studying. Transitioning from a student visa to a work visa has also become more streamlined. Students completing their studies can now switch to a work visa more easily, allowing them to contribute their skills to the UK workforce. These changes are designed to attract the best and brightest students while ensuring that their stay benefits the UK in the long run. However, the impact on students who may struggle to adapt to these new requirements needs careful consideration. Section 5. Other key changes: healthcare, residency and asylum. Beyond the specific visa categories, several other key changes are reshaping the landscape of UK immigration. These changes affect various aspects, including healthcare access, residency requirements, and asylum procedures. One notable change is the increase in the immigration health surcharge. This surcharge, paid by visa applicants to access the National Health Service, has been increased. This raises funds for the NHS, but also makes it more expensive to live and work in the UK. Changes have also been made to the long residence indefinite leave to remain rules. These rules, which allow for permanent residency after a certain period, now include stricter absence requirements. This makes it more challenging for some to qualify for ILR. The controversial Rwanda asylum plan, though facing legal challenges, remains a key talking point. This plan, involving relocating asylum seekers to Rwanda for processing, has sparked debate about its ethical and practical implications. These changes, alongside the visa-specific updates, paint a picture of a stricter and more controlled immigration system. The long-term impact of these changes on the UK's social fabric and international reputation remains to be seen. Section 6. Impacts and criticisms. A mixed bag of reactions. The 2024 UK immigration changes have sparked a wave of reactions from various sectors. Businesses and individuals have voiced concerns about the potential consequences of these new policies. One prominent criticism comes from businesses struggling to fill crucial roles. Stricter visa requirements have made it challenging to recruit from overseas. This could lead to labour shortages in key sectors. Healthcare organisations have also raised concerns. The NHS could face further strain due to new restrictions. This could impact the quality of healthcare services. Ethical considerations are also at play. Critics argue that some changes raise questions about the UK's commitment to human rights. Balancing economic needs with social responsibility remains a key challenge. The long-term consequences of these changes are still unfolding. Section 7. The road ahead, uncertainties and potential adjustments. The UK's immigration landscape is in a state of flux. The 2024 changes represent a significant shift in policy. The government may adjust policies based on their effectiveness. Political parties hold varying stances on immigration. Global events and economic conditions will influence policies. The UK's immigration journey is far from over. The 2024 changes are just one chapter in a long story. Immigration policies will continue to evolve, reflecting the UK's values and priorities.